many schools have the privilege to be able to do African drumming because it's quite a rare instrument to play in this country. So it's really fun, and I love using different techniques to play the drums. And our teacher Remy is really helpful because he explained things very well. And you don't just learn about African drumming, you learn about its history, the geography about it, and why we do certain things.
My role will be copycat. Copycat is basically when you lead.
How do you find yourself in the leader's seat?
I feel it really comfortable, and I really concentrate on it so I don't fail, because if I fail I will go out of tune and everybody will get mixed up. So I try keeping focused and nothing can distract me when I'm focused.
Drumming because it's very educative and you can learn different cultures. It also permits you to learn about stuff, and it's very fun as well.
I like that it teaches me how to keep rhythm, and it teaches me how to get a beat. Also, I love working as a team.
The best thing about it is you have everyone around you, so if you lose it, and then you can see their hand, and then you'll get what they're doing, and then you can follow them. I think I've progressed a lot.